Okay, today we are talking about a heavy-duty light pole base cover. So here's the light pole base cover in question. It has been vandalized. So we basically have three options. We can repair, repaint, and reinstall this one. Our second option is to buy a new one. And the third option that this video is about is to fabricate a more heavy-duty base cover out of thicker steel to help reduce the chances of this being vandalized again in the future. So I took measurements and created this 3D model in Autodesk Fusion 360. And from here I can make a AutoCAD drawing with an orthographic view, like so. I've added my dimensions. So again, this would be made out of 1/8" thick steel and welded together, and then we would prime it, paint it, and install it. It'd be way more heavy duty than anything you can buy on the open market. And so if you look at an exploded view, you'll see the two little tabs inside the cover. Those simply get welded to the inside of one of these sections. And you can see I pre-drilled my holes for my screws. But those little tabs get welded again to the inside of the cover on either side. And that's how the two halves get joined and screwed together. Like so. I hope that makes sense. I hope this idea helps you in your facility. Leave me a comment and let me know down below. And I wanted to show you this practical facilities maintenance handbook. It has common facilities, documents, signage, labels. It has several different types of reference material that you can use as a training aid. It also has shop equipment drawings in the back of the book that you can use to fabricate equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. It's available in ebook and paperback format on Amazon.com. And if you're looking for hats, mugs, tumblers, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below for this facility's website where you can purchase the stickers or hats or products you see here. I hope this helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.